We have got ourselves one hell of a damn accident on 4085 Durham interchange. In fact, I don't even understand how in the world what they're doing here. They got vehicles coming in from the opposite direction on the other side of the interstate. They had you can see over the horizon, well, you can't now, but there was a big old damn fire smoke plume. So something's on the 85 side of Durham. It's all messed up. Big accident, I'm sure. Probably won't be able to see the actual accident because, like I said, they're actually bringing in vehicles from the southbound side, or excuse me, east, coming down our lane, which is weird. So they must have had a big old accident up there in the Durham part of the freeway. No telling. I know we're not moving. I just think after the last 30 days, there's hardly been no traffic. Now we're in a traffic jam. Ironic. Sure, this will be on the news. Hopefully they'll let us go once they get all those other cars coming in eastbound across. So I'm gonna have, instead of being able to go to Durham, I gotta go through Raleigh. In fact, that's the last tractor trailer right there. Right back up northbound or westbound. To get back to the accident, going in any other direction. Okay, our lane's finally clearing up here. see the big old fire smoke plume up there in the horizon now. Yep, big old smoke plume up there. Let's see if we get to the top of the hill and see what we can see. Yeah, it's on the top of the hill up there. Whether or not we'll be able to see anything, who knows? What the hell's happening here? These guys are running off the damn road. Be able to see it, but it's somewhere right up over here. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to see it. Nope. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I would have some action for you, but obviously it was a big accident. It'll be on the local WRAL news. I'm sure it'll be a helicopter in the sky. Oh well. Hopefully nobody died. I'm out of here. Your highway action news reporter on the scene.